In a booming property market where speculation houses and plot and plan projects are coming up like mushrooms, is it not refreshing to find a house that's completed? The snag list's been taken care of, all the little imperfections have been fixed, and even some nice to have extras have been added. Extras include, but are not limited, an enlarged kitchen with a semi-hidden scullery area, solid Caesarstone countertops. We've got a covered patio so any day could be bride day, automated garage door, and stylish blinds have already been fitted. It's not every day that we get a house in that's ready for occupation and almost brand new. So call us for a private viewing appointment.